Hi everyone, so this is just a little update video regarding the motor controller I'm developing. I sent it to a member on the Endless Sphere forum. I posted it to him, the user MX Lemming, and he performed some tests on it. And the problem is that I've not designed the power stage as good as I could have. There's no snubbers on it, so snubbers stop or help to reduce the MOSFETs from ringing. That's where they when they switch on or switch off, they actually oscillate briefly and create quite bad voltage pulses. So normally I was supplying all the logic and the gate drivers with 12 volts, and that was causing a lot of serious ringing. Even though I did follow the vesc design, the circuit diagram exactly, it's probably just an issue with my layout. So when he supplied 9 volts into this connection, so that all the gate drivers were getting 9 volts instead of 12, it was able to run the detection no problem and spin up the motors perfectly. And he was quite impressed with how easily it all actually worked. So I've sent off for yet another board to be manufactured, and I've ordered different MOSFETs. So the newer version is going to have the snubbers on it, and hopefully it's going to work a lot better, and I'll get the whole thing built up and tested. So yeah, I am still actively working on stuff. Battery management systems as well. I've actually got to reverse engineer them. They're actually in here just now, but I lost the bill of materials, so I don't actually know exactly what component values go where. I didn't update them on the circuit diagram, so the circuit diagram that I designed for these is probably out of date. It was poor record keeping, so I'm going to have to reverse engineer one of them to actually find out what component values I used. I did want to get these on the market first, but I think the motor controller is actually going to be my first marketed product if the design goes well. And if the design does go well, I will make a few different designs for different voltages and currents.